All you need is a piece of thread, and you'll never have a ring stuck on your finger again. Say goodbye to the struggle of removing a stuck ring because with this method, you'll have it off in less than a minute. Grab a piece of thread. Ideally, you want it thin enough to fit under the ring, but strong enough to hold up when we start turning. Next, hold the end of the thread that's under the ring with one hand. Take the other end and start wrapping it around your finger in a spiral. Work your way from the ring up to your fingertip near the nail. Don't make it too tight, just snug enough to create a spiral that helps push the ring upwards gradually. Once your finger is wrapped, grab a small piece of adhesive tape and attach it to the fingertip where the end of the thread is. This keeps everything secure and ensures that the spiral won't unravel while we work on the other end of the thread. It's a quick little hack that makes all the difference for this process. Tape is a household staple, but it's also a lifesaver in keeping things in place. Now, here's a common scenario. A ring that just won't come off. Whether it's due to a bit of swelling, heat, or just a tighter fit than you realized, getting a ring stuck can be frustrating. Take the other end of the thread and start to unwind it in the opposite direction of how you wrapped it. This action will slowly pull the ring down as the thread loosens and creates space. With just a few twists, you'll have the ring off without any struggle or pain.